Hey everybody, Jess here from Zumbro Home Inspection. I just wanted to go over something I find rarely, but it happens. We're underneath a deck structure here in a deck, and we have the heat pump for the house. Heat pumps require a lot of room to breathe. Typically manufacturers say they want to see 3 foot above clearance minimum. Every manufacturer is different, but usually it's around 3 foot. Some say 30, some say 40 inches, but they should be backed into an L shape of the house. There's the back foundation, there's the side. The disconnect should be able to be reached. Now it's hard to see how little this gap is right here, but I actually can't even, or the service tech can't even really get to the disconnect if they needed to. When you, it looks like the AC is already here, or the heat pump's already here, then they built the deck around it. The HVACs need a lot of room to breathe. You got a lot moving through these condensing coils here. And the fins, they're all clogged up. You got a lot of air moving from the top. They did put a little louver up there, but it's still not the free airspace that it needs to properly work. So, try not to close in your HVAC system. Don't cover them, don't put things around them, don't put things over them. It's just my recommendation, and that's directly from the manufacturer. It'll last the longest if it's just sitting out in the open and it has free airflow around it and it's kept free to breathe. Alright, there's a lot of other things I like to talk about, but I like to keep these videos short, but I see a lot of people put those aprons around their HVAC units also, like a little lattice work apron like in their front yard. Those aren't recommended either. It should be completely free airflow around it. There is clearances to the sides of these vents, or typically some say 12, depending on the size of the manufacturer, but it's typically between 8 to 24 inches. Then the access panel side is going to need at least 36 inches or 32 inches of clearance for proper maintenance and working. But this just a poor place for a unit. It's going to be really choked up in the summer with hot, humid air around it, and it's going to get away from it. Alright, that's all I have for now. It's Jesse from Zumbro Home Inspection. If you have any questions, let me call 931-278-5400. That's 931-278-5400.